Welcome back, my people. Welcome back to the channel. Let me just get a light. You know, there was a bit of excitement this morning. Jeez, never remember to charge my light. Two of my lights. Yesterday, or last night rather. So I only have one that is fully charged. Anyway, I was excited because last night a friend of mine called me and told me he was going to catch some crabs. And it's mud crabs in Jamaica though. Yeah. We have I think we have red sea crab and mud crabs. Yeah, the varieties of crab is not that much here in Jamaica. Right? But mud crabs is one of our main local crabs here. Anyway, last night they reached out to go catch some crab and I was feeling a bit tired. I didn't go, but I knew if they had caught enough crabs, I'd have crab to cook today. So I went this morning and yeah man, I get crab and everything, and I was planning to come back to do a little outdoor cooking, and you know it works. Yeah man, they have planned to nice up and bad video to them, and I tell you people. So if I hear them say man a plan and God a wipe. Yeah man. Right now it rain out fall maybe about 1 hour now, and I think it's around 11 o'clock, so rain has been falling from morning, so couldn't get to do the outdoor thing. But without further ado, show now I go on. I remove a lighter because that one there. Grab that one here. Yeah man, that one here up and running. Yeah, magnet. Yeah. I don't have to invest in some of them things, you know. But you know, better run out for me, please. I just want to show the YouTube family what is going on. Yes, my people. Then done them on. They're in there. Anyway, I have to now cook them bad boy indoors. But that's fine. That's fine. That is just fine. Because without... Come on, I don't want to come out and just put the back corner just to look in there. Yeah man. Either way, they're going to be cooked. So, right now, I'm just preparing myself to get in the kitchen. I wanted to even pick 2 roast breadfruit off our tree because I like breadfruit to the people, but I tell you say curry crab and breadfruit bad. I like breadfruit, but I tell you. Yeah man, so I just go leave it so nice white rice and thing. And curry down the crab. You see me? So stay tuned for that and watch how your boy get down to business. See? Big up on yourself, all returning subscribers, all who have been supporting the channel. But maybe big up yourself, same way, you know, so you want a day one original subscriber. From I put up a video, you're the first person to start, like, share and comment. When you're up on the road and you can't watch, you still put out a little interest and show some support same way. So big up yourself same way. Enough love and respect same way. Yeah man, so without further ado, I'll go in the kitchen you know and start get busy and show now what I go and see. First, I have to go start clean these crabs. Yeah man, I have one old brush somewhere there. Just a brush and I creep this on the corners them and clean them up a bit and thing. Enough people tend to scald the crab first before they break it apart and start currying it, and then you have another set of people then break it up alive and brush it up and clean it up and then cook it. To me, works either way, but I think if you don't scald it first and just break it apart, I think that way you get much more flavor out of it, because scalding the crab, you go have to use a lot of water to do that, and then when you throw away all of that water there, you know say what if a flavor from the crab gone, that's what if a juice is the man rare. You know the thing though. You get the drift. Anyway, you know, see what I can do. I don't have any gloves on. I tell you say we can work with the crab without the gloves, but I'm gonna have to go sour and have to be much more careful. I understand, while if I had a gloves, I could just tuck me on in my bag and just take out one. Anybody come out. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so without further ado, we move on to the crab now. I'll stop reason about it. and start showing you what we're going. See? Big up on yourself again. Alright people, so see what I'm going. I try to take them out one. I have a bucket. How am I put it? Oh, it's behind me on the ground. So I have a bucket behind me and I have to be taking them out one at a time. See? As we say, I have one little brush. I had another brush here but I can't find it. So I have to use the one here to brush him down. You understand? Yeah man. You have to get in the crevice and the corners them man and brush up the crab and clean the crab, you know? So after this, after I brush them up like this, I just start break them apart and then in the pot, I catch in the claw. I have my bigger brush. That work much better for me, but this is what I have, so just have to work with it. You understand? Big up on yourself. Alright, one down. Let me just get my bucket and start load them in. It's only a dozen crab people and not that much, so yeah man, in no time. This good, this done. Yeah. Alright people, still at it. So me have so far, I have some of the some of the claws and some of the inner section. See the impurities part, you know. I actually did find one in the bag way I'm kind of damaged, and then I find the next one way I move slow, so I kind of dismantle my one way. Understand? So I'm show you how we deal with it, don't you know. When you eat crab from ice, you know, so the crab you have to clean. You understand? So get some water in it, you know. Still have my little brush in it, people. So that's how we deal with it. Just brush them off one by one. So all those things say crab I just catch and cook. You have to clean it up. You understand? Which is right, so now what more if you do? Just how deal with them, and then I show you what I go on the pot. But for now, there's some reach seeing. Yeah. Nice big old car, big kid. Yeah man, we have to clean them man, because they have dirt tonight, you know. Look, let me show you now. Alright, you see that? Alright, go in with the brush. You see the difference? If you never see the difference, people, don't rewind the video and look again. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. Now go on, get busy. I'll show you what they go on. Alright, so this way I deal with now my people. And see what I go on. Everything clean and pretty. You understand? Yeah man, so crab don't really need that much natural season, right? So what I'm gonna do, I had some fish season from yesterday. No, it's all purpose. I'm going in with a little easy spice, all purpose. Seeing a little Maggi. I want more than this, but I want to cook all up on the back, but let me just. Alright, that is it. Yeah man, and if you don't know guys, crab require a lot of seasoning because the shell that's on it, you have to know what you have to do to make the season actually penetrate and go in at that. Yeah man, so you meat inside get the season. See, so I just add a little bit of chicken seasoning on it, just for a little flavor, nothing too fancy. See, so in with me Maggi all purpose here now. And one of the most things you have to add to a crab, people, is this bad boy right here. Right now, all of this I'm going to use. Yeah, all of it. And I've already put on my pot to be heated. I'm gonna go in with a little curry on this to give it some color from early, because hey, shell food not really take color that much, so you go might have to use whole heap of curry when you have to do this food. Yeah man. Alright, so my little seasoning now, I'm going with about 3 spoonfuls of that. Alright, so what else we need? Oh yeah, grab some pimento green here. And then we'll prepare some garlic and scallion and onion. And yeah, you know it works. This don't really need no Irish, no potatoes and stuff like that. We don't really use that on crabs here, so let me just chop some seasoning and get back to you guys, alright? Alright, so this is what I'll be added. Let me look my pepper. Oh, yeah. We have 1 pepper, purple pepper. This is really hot, if you know what I'm talking about. We have a piece of thyme, some garlic, and some scallion. And that is it for the crab. See, crab don't really require that much amount of seasoning, right? Kind of have its own flavor, so you have to know how to control that while you're cooking it. You understand? So stay tuned. Now deal with this, I'll show you what I go on. In the meantime, I have my pot being heated. I'm going to add a little bit of oil and some curry to that and make the curry just burn a bit. You understand? But I'll show you what I go on. So stay tuned. People, so we reach. I have added a little bit of oil, and there's 1 pack of curry in here. I have put the other ones, but I am not sure if it will be needed as yet. Let me just put a little bit, not all. So about half. So what I'm going to be doing is I will add as I go in case it needs it. I'm not sure if it will be needing it as yet. So remember, I've already added 1 seal pack to my crab here, which I'm now stirring it around. Let me show you guys how I'm going. It smells good. It smells real good, my people. Yeah man. So still don't have a rubber spoon here, which is exactly what I need for this pot, but I'll be using my rubber spatula. Let me just rinse it off. Now, see, I have my seasoning and stuff already chopped and thing. I have garlic, onion, thyme, scallion, and some bad boiled pepper. As I said, guys, crab in Jamaica, it's never normal. It's always peppery. So I add 1 whole of purple pepper to that, and I hope it's enough. Let me just rest this right here and toss this seasoning around a bit. Yeah, man. Again, I didn't cut anything to pretty up anything, because most of this that you're seeing here by the crab cook, you can't go find peace. So just make that saute a little, and then in with my crab. Let me see if we can manage this. Yeah, that's it. Here you go. All right, I'm just gonna rinse this out a bit and throw in the pot, but let me just toss these around first and see if the rest of the curry is gonna be needed. People, the smell from this. Oh my God. Now, let me just put a light right there. I hope this help for sure a little bit better, but yep, Alright, so I'm gonna cover this down a bit at high flames. High, the highest, the maximum. Alright. Now give this about 5 minutes. Let it spring its natural juices, get the juices flowing and everything. Why? If you wanna drop out of the tripod. Anyway, yeah. I'm gonna catch a little bit of water. A little bit of water. Not a lot. Yep. This should be good. People, the smell in here right now is crazy. Yeah, man. Now we turn up on me. Let me see a show now what I go on. Don't could you tell me? As I said, because this is shell food, shell doesn't really absorb color that much, so you might need to add a little bit of extra curry on this thing here, curry crab people. Yeah, man. And right now, I'm gonna add another half pot that I have, just in case, because I tell you, we need it to burn along with the first batch here, because if curry now burn properly and all of that, you know how your belly will go. Yeah, man, so make it burn a bit. A small cut is on this bag, so it's taking a while to come out. Anyway, that is that. Now let me just toss it around a bit. Nice and lovely, it smells so good. Yeah, man. Believe me. Right now, you can barely see curry. Only on a few pieces, and there's 3 packs of curry in this thing. So, I'm gonna go in with my water. Right? I'm all done with this pot for now. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna make this come to a boil. Yeah, man, curry flavor is there, man. But as I said, the shell won't take the color just like that. So we have to give this some time now to actually cook. You understand? And hopefully I don't need any more curry to this, because that's like 3 packs. And if you guys know about better pack curry is really strong. Yeah, man, so that is that for now. Oh, I need to put on some rice because rain is still falling, if you guys are wondering. So I can't get any breadfruit. Real meal to go with this is some roast breadfruit. If you know, you know. Yeah, man, but can't get to that right now. Rain is falling, so I put on some rice in a rice cooker. In a few, I'll show you guys what's going on in the pot scene. It will just boil, man. And come in, see? Big up on yourself. Alright, people. Let's see how I go on. Hey. Trouble at this. Yes, sir. Really have to go buy a silicone or a rubber spoon. Yeah, man. Looking lovely, guys. Look at that sauce. This only one doesn't say some breadfruit. Yeah, man. It's been there for it's been on there for maybe about 10 minutes. Just gonna give it another 5 minutes and make sure that everything cook properly and thoroughly, and then we'll turn it off. Yep. In some parishes, I'm not sure how much of you guys know about this scene. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not sure how much of you guys know about this, but I've seen they do it here in a few of the Indian communities, or as Jamaicans would call it, cool it out, right? They use mango, green mango, in curry crab. The young green mango, yeah, that one. I've had it before, and I tell people say it is. It's alright, but yeah, nigga, you know, it's good. Yeah, but maybe there's a secret to how they actually use it. I'm not sure, but I don't want to know. I'm not gonna try. So, 5 minute time. I check in back and show you guys what go on. I go put on some rice in my rice cooker now. Yeah, whatever amount it can hold, I'll do that because I think 3 of my friends are coming over. So hopefully we can do a video review and see the reaction, you know? Yeah, so hopefully they're not too shy on the whole camera thing. So when I look from this, you'll see what I go and see. So big up on yourself. Yes, people. That is it. I just had to mix about 2 tablespoons of what's it called again? Cornstarch with a little bit of water because I am serving this with rice, and rice indeed require, as the Jamaican call it, gravy. And overseas might call it sauce. So as you can see, everything moves right now. This is the famous Jamaican curry crab. Yeah. If I had chopped enough onions and such and add to this, I wouldn't really have to do that, but I did it, and I just turn it off. I didn't do that, so yeah, I had to make up back for my mistake. I'm not one to really use cornstarch that much for cooking, right? So just stay with me for a bit. Yeah, man, again, guys, looking exceptionally well. Real Jamaican curry crab. Yeah, and the gravy was already there. It's just that it wasn't enough because I'm cooking about 5 pounds of rice. And everybody go want gravy. So rice cooker at work, and that is that. So guys, I'm gonna start editing this video to post it up. I'm not sure about the final clip, as I am not sure if anyone wants to be videoed. So yeah, if they do, then you guys will get the reaction. If not, then the video will probably just end here. So see you guys in another one. All right, big up on yourself.